Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we'll show you guys, we're working on Yamaha YFZ450. So if you have a ATV or a dirt bike, okay, this one here, we're putting a new crankshaft, and we started taking the engine apart. You know, you have to take everything apart. This is the new crankshaft here, but we'll show you how to remove the flywheel on those. You need a special tool for that. Brand new crankshaft. This is the flywheel right here. And never ever try to pull with something that you just found at the shop or something. You just have to use the right tool, otherwise you might regret it. Those are really expensive. Okay, and this is the tool, guys. We have the link on our website, mechaniclifestyle.com. It's not very expensive. It fits Yamaha, Suzuki, I think, and maybe a few Polaris ATVs and stuff like that. Motorcycle, I think Suzuki GSXR 600 and 750 fits. So the idea behind this one is now what we need to do. We need to get that nut loose, but don't loosen it all the way. Okay, we'll just put it on. Okay, and we'll get it probably okay about a little bit over halfway, like that. And this is okay, let's actually look at the bolt quick, if the bolt is going to fit inside, because sometimes those tend to pop out really big, but depending on the puller that you have. Okay, this one will actually work that way. Just want to make sure that we're not going to damage the thread of the bolt. Okay, we'll just leave it this way, like that. Okay, next you need to get the tool. Okay, this is the outside part of the tool. You need to screw it all the way on the flywheel. Okay, get it tight there. Okay, like that. Then you will need to start working that bolt. Okay, and let's see how it's going to come out now. Okay, you need to, once you reach the shaft, okay, it's going to stop like that. You need to hold it. Okay, so you're not turning the flywheel by any chance. Okay, and now we need to tighten the bolt. And it stopped, so now we'll need to go by hand. Okay, we'll take the nut off now and we'll go one more time. Okay, we need to get it tight all the way now. You just need to stay out of the way. If something pops out of there, because it's under pressure, I think, you just need to be out of the way, not to get hurt or anything like that. Okay, getting the bigger tools now and see if that's going to do it. Okay, it's pretty stuck there. Okay, so I think it came loose, or at least it feels like it. Yep, it's coming out. Okay, let's check the flywheel now, how it's going to be out. Okay, perfect. You need to make sure that you don't lose that thing, okay? Otherwise you'll be in big trouble. And now we just need to get the tool out of there. So we need to just loosen it. Okay, and then get the outside loose as well. Okay guys, and the flywheel is out of here, as you can see. So that's how you guys use the tool. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.